Welcome to my tutorial on adding multiple series or lines onto a single chart in Excel. Just to make sure you're using Excel because Google Sheets is very bad at this. So first off, you want to insert a new chart. Make sure it's a scatter with straight connectors. And you'll notice that it will be initially blank. Do not worry, you will fill this up with wonderful data soon. Then you will go up here to your data tab on chart source data. Yeah. All right, and then you're greeted with this screen. Ignore this for now. It is not important. Your main intention should be down here. So to start off, it is vitally important that you hit this button down here. This will add the series. If you do not do that, you will not get any more lines on your chart, and it'll be very frustrating times for you. So then you want to put a name on it, and that's just what you want to call it. I'm using the data from my earthquake, and so I'm just going to use my condition names. So this one is tall, no snow, and then the x values is pretty self-explanatory. So it's the x values, and I click and drag and highlight all my x values. It's vitally important that you don't have any letters or words in this highlighted area, or else Excel won't know what to do with it, and then it'll freak out. Here, and the same thing with y values. And I click the button out here. I'm using these two buttons to access my sheet and to highlight the selected data. So then I hit OK. Then bam, I got one line. Alright, now you go try making one of these. Don't worry, I can wait. Alright, welcome back. Now it's time to add some more lines to that lovely chart you just made, or should have made. Alright, so as you know, alright, so then we'll go back to the data tab. If you're using an older version of Excel, then this will say chart, and then go to chart source data, and then remember, you must hit this button again for every new line you want to add. And then name it tall snow. And then remember, highlighting my x values, then my y values. Alright. And then from here we can hit OK, and that will add another line. Or we can keep going on, and then we could add another series from here. And then I can go and then go and get out of here. X values, y values, and then hit it once more. Short snow, x values, and y values, and hit OK. And as you just saw, I got 3 new lines. I'll try to just make this a bit bigger. So originally I had this blue line, as you saw, but now I have these 3 new lines. They're orange, gray, and yellow. So now just quick tidying up. So you can move chart, new sheet, name it, seismic data, bam. What is, okay, seismic data 2. Here we go. Alright, and it's wonderful page and element. And then, as I was saying, you want to name it, because when you add a legend, the names of the lines you gave it will be here. As you saw, this blue line I named Tall No Snow, and you can see in the legend that it is named Tall No Snow. If you leave that name box empty, it will just say this series 1, 2, 3 down here. So remember that if you want to change your legend, because that's how you do it.